Hi, my friends. So this is going to be the Chapter 11 review. Now, today's going to be a long one because we're going to do review for Chapter 11. We're going to talk about perimeter, and then we're going to do the review for Chapter 16, okay? But I'm going to walk you through all of it. No problem. Okay, you got this. Chapter 11 review. Okay, write the value. Well, gee, you know this one. How much is a penny worth? Yeah, 1 cent. Good, 1 cent. How much, what is that, first of all? That's a nickel, and how much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. What about that? Good, it's a dime, and it's 10 cents. And what's that one right there? A quarter, and it's 25 cents. Good. So now we're going to count them. If you look at the way that these are organized, it's biggest to smallest. Why do we think we do that? Yeah, because it makes it easier to count. If you have the bigger ones first, it makes it way easier to count. So I have 10, 5, 1, and 1. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17 cents. Good. Write the number underneath. If it confuses you, write the number underneath, okay? It will help you, I promise. So this is 25, that's a quarter. We have another 25 cents, another 25 cents. That is 5 cents. Whoops, that's an awful 5, Mrs. Forte. And 1 cent. So remember our song, 25, 50, 75. Oh, there's only 3. So I 75 plus 5 is 80 plus 1 is 81 cents. Done. You got it. Okay, let's go down. Each one of these is worth how much? $1. Okay, so I'm going to put $1. How much is that worth? 25 cents. And how much is that worth? 10. Good. Okay, so I have $1, $2, $2, decimal, 25 cents, 35 cents. Mrs. Forte, how come you put the dollar sign in the decimal this time? Well, because when we have the dollars, we have to put the dollar sign in the decimal. So this is how many cents we have, and this is how many dollars we have. So for this one, am I going to need to put a dollar sign or a cents sign? Good, a cents sign. Okay. 25. My dimes are both worth 10, and my nickel is worth 5. So I have 25, 35, 45, 50. 50 cents. Good. Circle the coins needed to make $1. Complete the statement. Okay. They give you more than you need. Don't circle all of them, and this is going to be on your quiz too. Don't circle all of them because they're going to give you more than you need, okay? So remember our quarter song, 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. Whoops. 4 quarters makes $1. 4 quarters makes $1. It's just like if I had a pizza or a pie and I had 4 quarters made up an entire pizza, a whole pie. 4 quarters makes up 1. How much are dimes worth? How much are dimes worth? 10. Good. Dimes are worth 10. So let's count our dimes to see how many we need to make $1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now 100 is the same as $1. Remember, because then we have $1 equals 100. See how that works right there? So 10 dimes equals $1. Good job. Now, these ones I'm gonna do 2 of them with you, and then I'm gonna let you do the other ones because you guys are pros at subtraction. circle your signs first thing. Circle your signs first thing, okay? What is 0 take away 0? Well, 0. Yeah. What is 5 take away 1? 5 take away 1. 4. Bring down my decimal. What is 2 take away 1? 1. $1.40. Good. I'm going to do 13 with you, and I'm going to let you do 12 and 14 on your own, okay? What is 5 plus 0? 5 adding 0. Just 5. Good. What is 5 plus 2? 5, 6, 7. Okay. Bring down my decimal. What is 7 plus 1? 8. Good. And I have my dollar sign, so it's $8.75. Bueno. Okay, flip it over. I'm going to explain what I want you to do on the back, and then we're going to do one of them together. Solve. Answer the questions. Okay, so they want us to write an answer in number form. They want us to draw a picture, and they want us to write a sentence. Okay, three things. Okay, Addison saved 2 quarters. Remember to underline your money. 2 dimes and 4 pennies. So let's draw 2 quarters. 1, 2, 25, 2 dimes, dime, and 4 pennies. If you need to pause and write these down, that is totally fine with me, okay? That's the nice part about a video. You can pause it whenever you want. So, how much money has Addison saved? Let's count. 25, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, and 74. How much money has Addison saved? Addison has saved look at that, 74 cents. 74 cents. Does Addison have enough money to buy the plant if the plant costs 95 cents? Well, let's look. 74 compared to 95. Shoot. Well, no, because look at my tens place. 7 is smaller than 9, so no, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. Okay, I want you to complete the rest on your own. You can do this. Number 16 just asks you to draw out how much money they have and who has more money and who has more coins. Because sometimes you can have more money but not have more coins. It's a tricky thing. And then draw a set of bills and coins that has a total value of $2.85. So you have to be creative and come up with a way to make $2.85. Okay? Let's flip to perimeter. Now this is page 275 in the colored book. I'm going to change color. Perimeter, all it is counting around the sides. I want you to imagine that you are like a little mouse and you're traveling around the inside of a room, okay? But you always stick to the sides because it's safest. So all we're going to do is we're going to add up the sides. This says perimeter is the distance around a shape or an object. So it's the distance around the whole thing. This would be 3 plus 1, which is 4, plus 3, which is 7, plus 8, which is 1, 8 inches. Good. This wants you to use a ruler to measure each side. Use a ruler to measure each side. Add to find the perimeter. Okay, what we need to do is we need to measure these. Now, I'm not sure you have a ruler at home. That's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the measurements and we're going to do it together. Because the lesson really isn't about measuring. The lesson is about the perimeter. So each one of these sides is 1 inch. So the purple side is 1 inch. Let's add that to our purple box. The green side is 1 inch. Let's add that to our green box. The red side is 1 inch. Let's add that to our red box. And the blue side is 1 inch. Let's add that to our red box. So what is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1? 4 inches. Good. So the perimeter is 4 inches. 4 inches. You want to write out inches? That's fine. I'm just going to use the abbreviation. Now, on this one, the long side is 2 inches. This green side right here is 1 inch. The red side is 2 inches. And the blue side is 1 inch. So let's go ahead and transfer our measurements over to our little colored boxes, okay? The purple side is 2 inches. The green side is 1. The red side is 2 inches. And the blue side is 1. So what is 2 plus 1? 3. Good. And what is 3 plus 2? 5. What's 5 plus 1 more? 6. Good. So our perimeter is 6 inches. Done. Easy. You got this. Easy, easy, easy. Solve. Write a sentence to answer the question. Mr. Smith has a garden in the shape of a triangle in his yard. He wants to build a brick border around the garden. How many yards of bricks does Mr. Smith need? Okay, just like we did with the rectangles, all we're going to do is add up the sides. So I take this measurement, 2 plus this measurement, 2 plus this measurement, 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus another 2 is 6. Good. What's the unit of measurement I'm using? Is it inches or feet? What is it? Good, it's yards. And when you're abbreviating yards, you can just write YDS. YDS. Am I done? No, I am not done because I have to answer in word format, right? Remember, if they ask me in word form, I need to answer in word form. How many yards of bricks does Mr. Smith need? Mr. Smith needs 6 yards of bricks. Mr. Smith needs 6 yards of bricks. Good job. Pause it right here if you need to copy down the sentence. If you don't, I'm going to flip to the back, okay? Okay, add to find the perimeter. Why does that look fuzzy? Does that look fuzzy to you guys? Oh, that's better. Okay. What they have done is I really like the way they color-coded the sides for you. So what you can do is look at the side and then put that measurement in that colored box. So this is the purple side, and that's 3 inches. So we're going to put that in the purple box. This is the green side, so that's 4 inches. We're going to put that in the green box. This is the red side, that's 5 inches, so it goes in the red box. Good. The yellow side is 4 inches, and the blue side is 3 inches. All right, here we go. You ready to add? 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5, let's count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12. 12 plus 4, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. And 16 plus 3. 16, 17, 18, 19. So our perimeter is 19 inches. 19 inches, okay? I want you to do number 2 on your own. And I don't want you to do the time for review one, okay? Just number 2 on your own. Got it?